Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Caroline and I do homemaking videos, cooking and lifestyle. So if this is the kind of content you enjoy watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to take you through how my kitchen looks like, a tour of my simple kitchen. And this house we moved to around 2.5 years ago, and we were the first tenants. The house was new. So without wasting much time, I'm going to show you how my kitchen looks like. So you access the kitchen through the living room. Yeah. So the first thing you see are these beautiful tiles over here. I love these tiles on the wall. And up here we have the hooks where we keep our keys. Yeah, that's where we keep our keys. So next we go to the cabinet. Up here it's where I keep my medicine so the kids don't have access to them. And my sanitizer over there, matchsticks, everything I don't want the kids to have access to, it's up there. Then down here I have my spices. You can see I don't have a lot of spices, just these ones. That's where I keep my spices. Okay, and up there I have plastics, water bottles, jugs. I have this cutter that we got from Jumia. It has 4 functions according to the shape of what you want to cut. Yeah, I keep it up there. Down here I have my plates. I don't have a lot of plates, and it's not because we don't buy plates. It's because when we buy more utensils, we give out the old ones. We don't keep what we don't use. So these are all the plates that I have right now. I only keep what I use. So continuing here, I keep my cling film, my aluminium foil. I have my kitchen scale over there, which I got from Luthuli Avenue for 500. And down here I have my toaster, which I got from Jumia. It has been with us for several years. Going to this one over here. Up there I keep the pots that I don't use often, the big ones. I use this only when I have guests, and that's my pressure cooker over there. And down here I have my glasses and my cups. You will notice that I don't have a lot of utensils. Like I told you about the plates, when we buy new things we always give out the old ones, so we are left with minimal amount of utensils that we use on a daily basis. Going to the next one, up here, this is where I keep my shopping. We have soy sauce, oil, and my unga over here, and the other shopping. I put them in this basket over here. Yeah. So coming down here, I know you've seen this table in a lot of my videos because this is my working table. My kitchen has a small countertop, so this is where I cook my chapatis. I do everything here. So this table has been with us for several years. It has served us really well, but I want to do something with it. I don't know what. I was thinking of putting a contact paper, but then I don't know if I put contact paper, I'll be able to cook chapatis from it. If you have ever done contact paper, please let me know in the comment section if you're able to do like chapatis on top of it, or maybe I can have it painted. I don't know, but I'm thinking about doing something with it so it can fit with the theme of the kitchen. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So on top of this table, I put my breakfast stuff. You can see there, that's my cornflakes and my thermos over here. For this blender, I'm putting it here because I haven't figured out where it's supposed to go because it's big. I haven't really figured out, but I'll figure out soon. So it stays here on top of my table. And this is my electric kettle. You've seen this before in my videos. We got it from Jumia like 4 years ago, and it's still serving us really well. So down below the table, I keep my onions over there and my potatoes. I have my cooking pans that I use regularly down here. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Next is my gas cylinder over that corner over there. And this is my fridge. I'm sure you've seen me cleaning it in my videos. It's a small fridge that we got years back. It has been with us for years. So on top there are my straws, and I have my kitchen towels over here. And that's our small fridge. That's how it looks like. Yeah, and next to it is my cooker. I'm sure you've seen my cooker in my videos. We bought it years back as well. And yeah, it has served us really well. That's how it looks like. And next here is my kitchen countertop, and there I have my chopping boards, and this is where I keep my spoons in that container over there. And this is my kitchen top. You can see it's small. That's why I'm so I use my table. That's why I'm so happy about my table, because that's where I do everything from, because my kitchen counter is really small. So that's my sink over there and my tap. So that's my window, my kitchen window. It's big enough. Yeah, I love it because it's big and airy, and light usually comes in from there. And I have my morning fresh over there for cleaning dishes, and a sponge. And then I have this utensils rack over there. We got it from Quick Mart, and that's where I hang my kitchen towels. And down here I have my drinking water over there. Yeah, and that's how my countertop looks like. So these drawers down here is where I keep my shopping and my cleaning products down there. That you find this door. This is the door that leads to the balcony. If you open the door, you will go to the balcony. So after the door, you find this kitchen wall over here, and the beautiful tiles on the wall of the kitchen. Look at that. I love it. What do you think? I think the landlord really did well on these walls. The tiles are beautiful. I love this design on the walls of the kitchen. It's very pretty. That's how the walls look like. Down there I have my dustbin, which I got from Quick Mart, and I have my stool over here, which I use to go up to get things from up, because I'm quite short. Yeah, you can see the floor tiles as well. They're really nice, and they're so easy to clean. Yeah, I just love this kitchen.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye.
If you've watched until this point, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, why are you not subscribed to my channel with all the amazing videos I bring you every week? Please make sure before you leave you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be among the first to be notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.